Looking for a budget-friendly dash cam that delivers 4K clarity, reliable protection, and smart features without breaking the bank? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best budget dash cams of 2025, from affordable 4K models to powerful dual-lens setups that rival high-end brands. Make sure to watch this video till the end to find out which dash cam is the absolute best and offers the best value for your money. Let's dive right in, starting with number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. Number 5. DDPAI Z60 Pro. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the 2025 DDPAI Z60 Pro, a next-generation dash cam built for crystal clear image quality and intelligent driving support. This model features the latest Sony STARVIS2678 sensor, delivering true 4K resolution with superior color and clarity, even in low light. It also supports front and rear recording, 5G HZ Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and ADAS driver assistance, making it an incredible value for the price. Pros: true 4K recording with Sony STARVIS2 sensor. Dual front and rear camera setup. Built-in GPS and ADAS safety alerts. High-speed 5G HZ Wi-Fi for easy file transfer. For a brand new 2025 model, the Z60 Pro sets a new standard for affordable 4K dash cams. Number 4. KAWA D11 Dash Cam. At number 4, the KAWA D11 Dash Cam combines premium recording technology with a sleek, compact design. It uses the Sony STARVIS AIISP color night vision system, giving you full color clarity even in low light conditions. The D11 captures 4K front and 1080p rear video with Wi-Fi and GPS built in, allowing easy playback and tracking of routes. Pros: 4K plus 1080p dual-channel recording. Excellent night vision with Sony STARVIS sensor. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. AI-powered image optimization. If you want advanced performance at a mid-range price, the KAWA D11 is a fantastic pick for everyday driving or long trips. Number 3. DDPAI Mola N3 Pro. Coming in at number 3, the DDPAI Mola N3 Pro is one of the most popular budget dash cams on the market, and for good reason. It records in 2.5K resolution, producing sharp and balanced footage with excellent detail. The smart Wi-Fi connection lets you control, preview, and download videos directly from your phone. Plus, it features a temperature-resistant supercapacitor, ensuring reliable performance in both hot summers and cold winters. Pros: 2.5K HD resolution with clear image capture. Wi-Fi connectivity and app control. Heat-resistant capacitor design. Compact and easy to install. For under $100, the Mola N3 Pro gives you smart features and solid reliability that punch above its price range. Number 2. AZDOME M550 Pro. At number 2, the AZDOME M550 Pro offers premium performance at a surprisingly budget-friendly price. This dash cam features 4K front and 1080p rear recording, plus a built-in GPS, 5.8G HZ Wi-Fi, and a 3.19-inch IPS screen for easy video playback. It also supports infrared night vision and 24-hour parking monitoring, giving you complete protection whether you're on the road or parked. Pros: dual-channel, 4K plus 1080p recording. Fast 5.8G HZ Wi-Fi for quick transfers. GPS and 24-hour parking surveillance. Great low light and night vision quality. If you want flagship-level performance without the premium price, the AZDOME M550 Pro is a strong contender. Number 1. UHD 4K Dash Cam. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list is the UHD 4K Wi-Fi Dual Lens Dash Cam, the best budget dash cam of 2025 overall. This model delivers true 4K resolution for the front camera and offers an optional 1080p rear camera for complete coverage. It comes with GPS, Wi-Fi, 24-hour parking mode, and a sturdy build that's perfect for daily use. Its simple setup and reliable performance make it ideal for anyone who wants premium protection at an affordable price. Pros: crisp 4K front and optional rear recording. Built-in GPS for route tracking. Wi-Fi connectivity and app support. Parking monitoring and motion detection. Overall, The UHD 4K Wi-Fi dual lens dash cam stands out as the best budget dash cam of 2025, delivering incredible image quality, smart features, and unbeatable value for money. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. So there you have it, the top 5 best budget dash cams of 2025. Each one offers great value, smart features, and reliable performance, but if you want the best overall combination of quality, features, and price, the UHD 4K Wi-Fi dual lens dash cam is the one to go for. Which dash cam would you pick for your car? Let me know down in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and tech comparisons every week. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.